Hi there, and welcome to our Tools tutorial video series. In this video, we'll be looking at our institution's directory tool and how you as educators can use this useful tool on our website, EduConnect.co.za. Let's begin with opening the page up in front of us. Open your internet browser and make sure you have a secure Wi-Fi connection. Click in the search bar and type in www.educonnect.co.za/institutions/ and hit enter. Once you have the site in front of you, you will see three category filters: listings, categories, and regions. The listing filter allows you to search for a specific institution. The categories filter allows you to search for a type of institution, and the regions filter allows you to specify which province you live in. Below, we also have shortcuts that take you straight to our TVET, private colleges, universities, and University of Technology pages. Here is an example on how our listings, categories, and regions filters work. I'm going to generically choose universities as my category and click search. You will now have a list of universities in front of you. You can now browse through our institution options and use the filters for more in-depth searches. For example, if I choose accounting, I will then be able to see institutions that offer accounting. Go ahead and click on one institution. I am going to be choosing NMU, Nelson Mandela University. Each institution page will be filled with lots of summarized and important information. We provide a short bio and images of the institution to help the learners get started with their research. As an educator, you can include this tool as a resource for your learners to use when they are doing research on institutions and how to go about applying to institutions in South Africa. It would be worthwhile to get your learners to familiarize themselves with the information provided. The information included on the institution page is as follows: application dates, application closing dates, application fees, whether they need to write their NBTs, open day dates, fees, how to apply both online and through hard copy in the post, the institution contact details and address, any featured articles the students may find interesting, funding opportunities to study at the institution, as well as what qualifications they offer. We also include useful documents for the learners, as well as a direct link to the institution's webpage. If you have any further questions on this tool, please feel free to contact us at teachers@edu1.co.za. Enjoy, and don't forget to catch our other tools tutorials.